This is me actually gonna be testing it right now, charging my phone because my phone's about to die. So you got an on and off switch here on the side. You want to make sure it's on. Then you want to choke it. Put the switch on position. You want to start it right there. I guess I don't need to put choke because I already started it. And when it's cold start, you want to put a choke on. But it's a pretty nice unit. It's right now running on eco throttle. Quiet unit actually. It sounds kind of loud probably on the recording, but it's not that bad. Let's turn on without eco. It's much louder without the eco, but the eco it gets the RPMs down and it's much quieter. So far I really like it, so I'm happy, and I got a real good deal on it. Yeah, let's see, $540 I paid for this unit, because I had store credit that I had to return some stuff, and yeah, $400, I think it's a steal deal. Not just for camping, it's also for construction use, so this would be pretty handy to have. So yeah, and it has a 2.1, let's say it's around 2 gallons of gas in there. That'll fit. It has the oil alert indicator and overload alarm. Has those breakers. If it trips it. Like I said, it has the eco throttle. And, yeah, this is it. It's actually pretty light. When I fueled it up with gas, I thought it was gonna be heavier, but it did get heavier, but not as much, not too that much to notice. But I really like that it has 2 handles. You can grab one arm, put your other arm there, just grab it, and it's very comfortable to transport it. So yeah, this is it. This is the Honda, the EB2800I inverter, industrial. So yeah, take care guys, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And this guy gets I put full synthetic right away in it. It's a 1030, and in manual to tell you how much you need to put in, but I believe it was like 380 mil that I put in on it. So I bought just 1 quart, and it took like less than half of it in there. And now if I need an oil change, I have the other one I can use. Same, actually, the 1 quart that I bought, I can reuse the leftover that's still in there. I can still make another oil change with it. And that's it. And take care guys.